Hello, beautiful beings. Welcome to this incredible journey into the world of yoga. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to deepen your practice, this guide is for you. We'll explore some foundational yoga poses that are perfect for beginners. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, flexibility, or experience level. It's about connecting with your breath, body, and mind. Let go of any expectations or self-judgment and step onto your mat with an open heart and a curious mind. Remember, this is your practice, your journey. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and modify poses as needed. Let's breathe, move, and find our inner peace together. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been transforming lives for centuries. It's not just about touching your toes. It's about cultivating strength, flexibility, balance, and inner peace. Regular yoga practice offers a multitude of benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. Physically, yoga can help improve flexibility and range of motion, strengthen muscles, and increase cardiovascular health. It can also alleviate back pain, improve posture, and enhance sleep quality. Mentally, yoga helps reduce stress, calm the nervous system, and increase focus and concentration. By connecting movement with breath, yoga becomes a moving meditation, helping you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and find moments of stillness amidst the chaos of daily life. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll break down each pose step by step, providing clear instructions and modifications to make the practice accessible to everyone. We'll explore the physical and mental benefits of each pose, empowering you to understand the transformative power of yoga. Remember, consistency is key. Even practicing for a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. So grab your mat, find a quiet space, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Get ready to experience the transformative power of yoga. Our first pose is mountain pose, also known as Tadasana in Sanskrit. Don't let the simplicity of this pose fool you. It's a foundational pose in yoga, and mastering it can set the stage for greater stability and awareness in all your poses. Mountain pose might seem like just standing, but it's so much more than that. It's about finding a sense of grounding, stability, and presence in your body. It's about feeling the connection between your feet and the earth, and the energy that flows through your entire being. Imagine yourself as a majestic mountain, strong and unwavering. Feel the strength in your legs, the length in your spine, and the openness in your heart. This is the essence of mountain pose. Section 2. Finding your footing step-by-step guide. To come into mountain pose, start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Press down firmly through all four corners of your feet, the balls of your feet, the heels, and the inner and outer edges. Lift and spread your toes, then gently release them back down. Engage your leg muscles by lifting your kneecaps and gently drawing them towards your thighs. Lengthen your tailbone towards the ground and gently lift your pubic bone towards your navel. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and lengthen your neck, keeping your chin slightly tucked. Feel your spine lengthening and your chest opening as you breathe deeply. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides, with your palms facing forward or towards your body. Soften your gaze or close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Section 3. The power of standing tall. Mountain pose is a powerful pose for improving posture and balance. By grounding your feet and lengthening your spine, you create a strong and stable foundation for your body. This can help alleviate back pain, improve circulation, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Beyond the physical benefits, mountain pose is a wonderful pose for cultivating mindfulness and presence. As you stand tall and breathe deeply, you bring your awareness to the present moment, letting go of thoughts and worries. You become aware of your body, your breath, and your surroundings. Practice mountain pose anytime you need to feel grounded and centered. It's a great pose to do first thing in the morning before a big presentation, or whenever you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Embracing downward dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Dive into downward dog, a foundational yoga pose. known for its invigorating stretch and benefits. Think of it as a playful inversion. Form an upside-down V, creating space. A full-body stretch, awakening muscles and calming the mind. Section 2. Flowing into downward dog, a step-by-step journey. Start on your hands and knees in tabletop pose. Make sure your hands are shoulder-width apart and your knees are hip-width apart. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly through your palms and fingertips. As you exhale, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs as much as feels comfortable. Your body should form an upside-down V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Gently press your chest toward your thighs, lengthening your spine. Keep your head between your upper arms, relaxing your neck. You can pedal out your feet, bending one knee at a time and pressing the opposite heel towards the ground to gently stretch your hamstrings and calves. Section 3. Unleashing the power within. Downward facing dog is an incredible pose for strengthening and stretching your entire body. It strengthens your arms, shoulders, and back while lengthening your spine, hamstrings, and calves. This pose can help alleviate back pain, improve posture, and increase flexibility. Beyond the physical benefits, downward dog is known for its calming and energizing effects. It's an inversion, meaning your heart is above your head, which can help improve circulation and calm the nervous system. If you find yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed, come into downward dog and breathe deeply. This pose can help you release tension, find a sense of grounding, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Section 1. Embracing the warrior within. Virabhadrasana 1. Get ready to tap into your inner strength with Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1, a powerful standing pose that embodies courage, focus, and determination. This pose is a beautiful expression of strength and grace, inviting you to stand tall and embrace your inner warrior. Imagine yourself as a fearless warrior, grounded in your stance, with a heart filled with courage and determination. Warrior Y is not about aggression. It's about finding strength from within, cultivating focus, and standing tall in the face of challenges. As you step into Warrior 1, feel the strength in your legs, the openness in your chest, and the focus in your gaze. This pose is a reminder that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Section 2. Stepping into your power, a step-by-step guide. Start by standing at the top of your mat in mountain pose or Tadasana. Step your right foot back about 4 feet, keeping your feet hip-width apart. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees to the right, so your toes are pointing to the side of the mat. Align your front heel with the arch of your back foot. Bend your right knee directly over your right ankle, so your thigh is as close to parallel to the floor as comfortable. Keep your back leg straight and strong, pressing through the outer edge of your back foot. Lift your arms overhead, reaching your fingertips towards the sky. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears and your chest open and lifted. Draw your tailbone down towards the floor to protect your lower back. Section 3. Cultivating strength and focus. Warrior 1 is an excellent pose for building strength and stamina. It strengthens the legs, core, and back, while also stretching the chest, shoulders, and hips. This pose can help improve balance, stability, and endurance, making it a great addition to any workout routine. Beyond the physical benefits, Warrior 1 is a powerful pose for cultivating focus, determination, and courage. As you hold the pose, focus your gaze on a fixed point in front of you, called a drishti. This helps to steady your mind and improve concentration. Practice Warrior 1 on both sides of your body, holding the pose for several breaths. As you breathe deeply, feel the strength and power within you. Remember, you are a warrior, capable of overcoming any obstacle life throws your way. Tree pose, also known as Vrksasana. Stand tall and find your balance. This pose reminds us to stay grounded while reaching for our dreams. It challenges our balance and cultivates stability and inner peace. Imagine yourself as a strong tree, roots deep, branches high. Feel the stability in your leg and the lightness in your heart. Tree pose is a journey of balance, physically and mentally. Step by step into tree pose. Begin in mountain pose, feeling grounded. Shift weight onto your right foot. Find a focus point for balance. Place your left foot on your inner right thigh. Bring hands to heart center or extend overhead. Section 3. Cultivating balance and serenity. Tree pose is a wonderful pose for improving balance and coordination. It strengthens the muscles in your standing leg, core, and back, while also stretching the hips and inner thighs. Regular practice can help enhance your overall stability, making it easier to maintain your balance in everyday life. Beyond the physical benefits, tree pose is incredibly calming and centering. As you focus on your breath and your drishti, or gaze point, you quiet your mind and cultivate a sense of inner peace. This pose can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and promote a sense of tranquility. If you find yourself feeling scattered or overwhelmed, come into tree pose and breathe deeply. This pose can help you find your center, regain your balance, and reconnect with a sense of inner peace. Section 1. Embracing the sweet surrender child's pose or balasana. Prepare to melt into the gentle embrace of child's pose, a deeply restorative pose that offers comfort, peace, and a chance to reconnect with your inner child. It's a pose of surrender, inviting you to let go of tension, release stress, and embrace a sense of ease. Imagine yourself as a child, free from worries and responsibilities, finding solace and comfort in the simplicity of the present moment. Child's pose is a refuge, a place to find stillness and peace amidst the busyness of life. As you curl inward, feel the gentle stretch in your spine, the release in your hips, and the calming rhythm of your breath. This pose is a reminder that it's okay to rest, to recharge, and to nurture your inner being. Start by kneeling on your mat with your knees slightly wider than hip-width apart and your big toes touching behind you. Sit back on your heels, or use a blanket or pillow for support if your heels don't reach, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently fold forward from your hips, draping your torso between your thighs. Rest your forehead on the mat or on a block or blanket if it doesn't comfortably reach the floor. Relax your arms alongside your body, palms facing up, or extend them forward in front of you. Close your eyes and soften your gaze inward. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mat, releasing any tension in your back, shoulders, and neck. Breathe deeply and evenly, allowing your breath to guide you deeper into the pose. Section 3. Nurturing your inner child. Child's pose is a deeply restorative pose that offers a wide range of benefits for both your body and mind. It gently stretches the spine, shoulders, and hips, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. This pose can also help alleviate back pain, improve digestion, and calm the nervous system. Beyond the physical benefits, child's pose is a beautiful way to cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. As you surrender into the pose, you let go of stress, anxiety, and worry. This pose can help you reconnect with your breath, quiet your mind, and find a sense of stillness amidst the chaos of daily life. Practice child's pose anytime you need a moment of rest and rejuvenation. It's a wonderful pose to do before bed to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Section 1. The journey unfolds. As we conclude this journey through these foundational yoga poses, remember this is just the beginning. Yoga is a practice, not a destination. It's about showing up on your mat day after day, breath after breath, and honoring the journey of self-discovery. Each time you step onto your mat, you create space for growth, both physically and mentally. You cultivate strength, flexibility, balance, and inner peace. You learn to listen to your body, to honor your limits, and to celebrate your progress. Remember, yoga is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, flexibility, or experience level. All that matters is that you show up with an open mind and a willingness to explore the incredible possibilities within you. Section 2. Embrace the transformation. As you continue your yoga practice, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts within yourself. You might feel stronger, more flexible, and more balanced both physically and mentally. You might find yourself navigating life's challenges with more grace and ease. Yoga is a transformative practice that extends far beyond the mat. It can help you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, enhance your relationships with others, and live a more mindful and meaningful life. Embrace the journey, my friends. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your victories, and learn from your challenges. The transformation that yoga offers is a lifelong adventure, and it's yours for the taking. Section 3. Join the community. I'm so grateful to share this practice with you. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're a community of yogis from all walks of life, supporting and inspiring each other every step of the way. If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know how yoga is transforming your life. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.